I'm just saying, the foam it makes is incredible. You press the latte button and the Gridinator 5000 just does its thing. It's peak engineering, Paul.
It's got too many buttons. I just want coffee. Black. I don't need to choose between cappuccino, macchiato, or micro foam. By the time I figure it out, the emergency is over.
That's not the point. The point is about having the option. It elevates the entire break room experience. Did you try the built-in bean grinder? It's a ceramic burr grinder.
I don't know what that means. The old pot worked fine. You put the grounds in, you add water, you press the one single button.
Guys.
See, that's your problem, Paul. No appreciation for innovation. This is the future of caffeination.
Tom. Paul. You're on the air. You hit the national alert button.
Oh no. Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
The light is on. Why is the light on? I thought I pressed the intercom button to show you that. Oh my god. Shut it down. Shut it down.
Which one is it?
The big red one. Just hit the main broadcast kill switch.
They're all big and red, you idiot. Move. I'll get the main power cable.
Just pull the plug. Pull the...